Maidí mai a bhaistí agus a hisismóirí iniu táid léamh an scíal clasachach Seán agus an gas ponaire Jack and the Beanstalk. I deap beg ar imil na cille chonaí Seán agus a bhaothar bhí siad aonta bocht, ní raibh acu sa dóin acu ach sean bhá. Maidí na bháin leabhar maithir cheann leis agus ar siise, caithfimid jambó a dhéal, tóir leataí thonnanaí a cheann, agus feadh an oiread airgid orthaí agus a higleat. In a small house at the edge of the woods, Seán and his mother lived. They were very poor. All they had in the world was this old cow. One morning his mother spoke to him and she said, Seán, we must sell the cow. Take it to the fair, Seán, and get as much money for her as you can. Ní raibh Seán a bhfad ar shiúil nuair a casú fearr air. Sin bá bhrá ar san fearr. Má thugann tú dom í, tóirtí mé na ponaire shot ditch. Seán wasn't long down the road when he met a man. That's a great cow, said the man. If you give it to me, I will give you all these beans. So seo iad na ponaire dréachta. Ponaire ar sa Seán, ní thórthaí, go raibh maithagad, tá mé féin agus má bhathair beá bocht agus is airgid atá díorainn. Agus ponaire dréachta iad seo ar san fearr, tóir leat iad seo, agus ní bheidh tú bocht a bhfad eile. Mar sin, ghlac Seán na ponaire agus ríthe bhaile có túcéir agus a thucaú leis. Ar go bhfuithar ar sisin, thug mé ponaire dréachta bhaile thugad. Híal sé go mé sí sasta leis. Beans, said Seán, I will not give them to you, thank you very much. Me and my mother are very poor and it's money that we need. But these beans are magic beans, said the man. Take them with you and you won't be long poor. Therefore, Seán took the beans and he ran home as fast as he could. Look, mother, he said, I got these magic beans. I took these magic beans home to you. He thought that she would be happy. Ach ní sasta a bhí si ar charbí. Cadé an white ponaire ar siise go farraga agus cais si ar talavéad. An ihe sin, Jimmy Seán a lí agus ochrach bronach. But she wasn't one bit happy. What good are beans, she said angrily, and she threw them on the ground. That night Seán went to bed, hungry and sad. Nuair a bhoscail Seán bhí an mhaidín an, ar arcama an inneogdá bhí an lán crackan de intasir, san áitear chaithe bhaothar na ponaire ar an talú, bhí olgas ponaire in é fas tharíthe. Jimmy Seán amach ar an doras có gastas go bhí na chnamha agus thosaí sé ag drapú. Níos urge thuí sé suas go dtí an spéir, agus níos urge a rís tríd scamal vugahana. When Seán woke up it was the morning. Looking out the window, his body was full of surprise, because the place where his mother threw the beans to the ground, there was a huge, gigantic beanstalk after growing overnight. Seán went out the door as fast as he could, and he started to climb. Higher and higher and higher he went, up and up to the sky, and higher again, through soft white clouds. An sin go tuban bhí si ag fíor wallach an gas fónara, go ddíreach as a cór bhí an chap a bhód a wacha sí riú, bhí an doras allmhór oscailt began, isteach le Seán go fáilí. and sin hula Seán Gu mar a bheith tórnach an. Fí fai fó fum cifad a ma ta bí a agus críoch le thugla hui Seán a bhallach a gofra go ddíireach nuair a flab fatach fíochara allmhór isteach an doras agus hí sé síos ag an tabla. Suddenly Seán was at the very top of the beanstalk, and right in front of him there was a house the biggest house that he had ever seen. The doors, the huge door, was open a little. In went Seán quietly. Then Seán heard a voice like thunder. Fee fi full fum, watch out, I need food. And he was shaking with fear. Seán went hiding in the press right when he heard the big slapping sound of a huge giant at the door, and he sat down at the table. Cifid Seán on a chofra, agus an tabla bhí carcan a sí go nervhaiseach agus bhí crit a ro íomh aisteach gaire Go tub an lór an fatach, fí fai fó fum bear an cearc a crit sin tún. Bhí a haid intas Seán rug an cearc mhór orga, agus an sin cion eile. Seán watched on from the press. On the table there was a hen sitting nervously, and there was a gold harp that had a strange smile on its face. Suddenly the giant spoke. Fee fi fo fum. Bear me an egg, hen, and harp, play a tune. Seán was so full of surprise when the hen laid a big golden egg, and another one, and another one. Alright, boys and girls, I'm on the wrong page. Le linan am sin bhí an crit ag sinnam ceol alín, tá chalú arm san fatach. Lanart ag sinnam go ligi mé cí, begurid go ró an fatach an na chalú. Caihí mé éalú sa Seán leis féin, ach torfi mé lom an cearc, ní bhé mise ná a bhaithir beá bocht cíthe ríis. A bhatach na súil, bhí an cearc cuachta ag Seán isteach faoin na líne. Ach wintse ma an doras dá, scráid an crutse ma ó sard. A waister, tá gaddy in her mask. All during that time, the harp was playing beautiful music. I need some sleep, said the giant. Continue playing so I can relax. Shortly afterwards, the giant was asleep. I must escape, said Seán to himself, but I will take with me the hen, and my mother will never be poor again. In the blink of an eye, Seán had the hen stuck in under his shirt, but as he was taking him out the door, the harp started shouting out loud, Master, master, there's a thief amongst us. Wascal an fatach as a huan, fí fai shronas schmig machi an balu gasser vig. And the giant woke up out of his slumber. Fee fi foam, he says, my nose and my chin. I smell the smell of a little boy. Agus ugla a washer Seán fuair sé grim ar war an gas pónar agus hosi sé drapu an nuas a méid a bhí in a chracan. Chroich agus luas gan gas pónar agus an fatach ag teacht sa tóir. Thula Seán a bhaithir ag scartú híos faoi. Jan Jeffer a Seán, Jan Jeffer. Codí lom a bhaithir a scart sé agus ag arcan nuas arthaí. And was Seán so afraid of the giant, he grabbed the beanstalk and he started climbing down as fast as he could. Oh, the beanstalk started shaking and swaying as the giant was coming after him. Seán heard his mother shout below him, "Hurry up, Seán, hurry up! Help me, mother," he shouted as he looked down at her. Faoin am seo bhí maithair cheann ag gearú anuas an gas fónara. Hit an gas de flabal mhór go ddíreach nuair a bhain Seán an talamh amach, agus chuir sé sin jeirú leis an fatach. By this time, Seán's mother was cutting down the beanstalk. The beanstalk fell with a huge bang, and right away Seán just reached the ground, and that put an end to the big giant. Ach bhí an cearc dréach de slán, ón láis sin amach mhair an cearc go sonna sasta le Seán agus a bhaothar, agus rug sí ifithe óir dóibh gach lá. Is cinse gur mhair Seán agus a bhathar agus an cearc go sonna sasta go jeirú a seal. But the hen, the magic hen, was safe, and from that day on the hen lived happily with Seán and his mother, and it laid an egg, golden egg, for them every day. It's certain that Seán and his mother and the hen were very happy for the rest of their lives. And Jerry, the end.